What if I told you there was a way to have a flood of referrals raining down on you and you didn't have to ask a single person for one? Sounds magical, doesn't it? I'm John Jantz with Duct Tape Marketing, and in this video I want to talk about how to create a strategic partner network that sets you up for referrals for life. Now, a strategic partner network starts first and foremost with you realizing that you have clients that have other needs that you can't solve, that you don't have a business to solve. But because they trust you, they ask you constantly for recommendations. This probably happens to you naturally anyway. What if you intentionally built your team of best-of-class providers with the primary purpose of introducing those folks to your clients because you know that they can help your clients? What if you took a very strategic approach to building a platform where this group of strategic partners actually started doing events together, started writing for each other, started interviewing each other on your podcast and videos, and next thing you know, you've got a real resource. You've got links coming back to you. You've got strategic partners who are ultimately going to start referring business back and forth to each other. So it's important, if you're going to take this approach, you don't want anybody on your team that you wouldn't actually refer to your best clients. But what you will find is, as you start developing relationships with other best-of-class providers, you are going to make yourself invaluable to your existing clients. Now, there's a real trick to building your team, but it starts by giving first. So develop a list of potential strategic partners, and maybe they're people that you know by reputation. Maybe they're people that already work with your clients that they can tell you about. And write them a letter and say, look, I have clients that I think could use your services, and I wonder if you could teach me the best way to refer you to my clients. So your initial contact, you're essentially saying, look, I have heard about you by reputation, or so-and-so client told me I should call you, and I have clients, I might want to send you business. Tell me how to send you business. Now, who's not going to respond to that? I've done this for years, and let me tell you, most people will at least initiate a conversation. Now, if you decide it's a good fit, think in terms of a way to say, hey, I'd like to have you on my podcast, or I'd like you to submit a guest post, or I'd like to write a guest post for you, or I have a free webinar or a free ebook that I could give you that you could give away to your clients. Initiate the relationship by having something that you guys can do together. And what you'll find is, over time, if you keep looking for ways to do things together, to support each other, referrals are going to naturally come from your strategic partner network. And there's nothing more valuable than a trusted advisor giving somebody a referral that comes to you. So think about this as a strategic partner network that can not only generate referrals, and again, that's the bonus, if you will, because building this network of best-of-class providers allows you to be more valuable to your clients. It allows you to get and give content. It allows you to get and give guests on your podcast. So there are so many great reasons to build this that you should formally carve out time each and every week to develop one or more relationships and take them further and further, and you will find that all of a sudden you are getting opportunities without really having to lift a finger.